Welcome. If you've decided it's time to unfollow a group on Facebook and you're using your PC, I'm here to show you how to do it with the latest update. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed by posts from a group or simply want to clean up your feed, it's easy to unfollow a group and stop seeing their updates without leaving the group entirely. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Facebook on your PC and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, head up to the top right corner where you'll see your profile photo. Click on your profile picture to open your profile menu. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. A drop-down menu will appear with more options. Next, click on Content Preferences. This is where you can manage everything about what appears in your feed, including groups, pages, and people you follow or unfollow. Once you're in the Content Preferences section, look for the option that says Unfollow People and Groups. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a list of all the people, pages, and groups that you follow, and you can manage them all in one place. Now find the group you want to unfollow. Next to that group, you'll see an icon. Simply click on that icon, and it will unfollow the group. Once you do this, you won't see posts from that group in your feed anymore, but you'll still be a member of the group, you just won't receive updates from it. And that's it. You've successfully unfollowed a group on Facebook. If you ever want to start seeing posts from that group again, you can always follow it back using the same steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more personalized Facebook feed.